Quarter mile mile, come on back to me.
You better not tell me that.
Hey, 225. Hey, I heard you easing up in my radio out there. There's some funny stuff out there, and it ain't lasting long. It's real quick, and it's spontaneous.
He can't come in here and be
Come on back in here.
Man's gonna run out and he ain't paid up. He ain't gonna do no talking on 27-285. 001, you're 225, got down.
Hey, Doorknob, I heard you out there bumping it down. Doorknob, Charlie Brown, San Francisco Bay, California. Back out.
Hey, Mother, you say you in the duck?
Time to run out. His minutes done expired, man.
Ain't much condition.
That boy nowhere out here. He got a track phone. Hey, I'm gonna talk today in the morning.
Hey, Doorknob, it's a cotton-picking traffic jam out here on the west side. Doorknob in 10, Charlie Brown with that weekend wave. I'm getting on down.
The biggest thing is it's late and conditions are up and down like a yo-yo. Have a good one, Doorknob. Go.
10 Roger, Mr. Doorknob. I got it all, Charlie Brown, in this traffic jam. I'm back out.
Read the mail for a little while, big brother. See what's happening? Then I'll put it on you later. Old Buckshot in the phone lands here. Bye.
Hello, Buckshot in the swamp lands. Charlie Brown with the wave from Santa Cruz, California. I'm back out.
Hey,
Charlie Brown, get them bud ducks off me. Ducks off your mind, I'll get him about your radio. Hello, Charlie Brown. 225, break up.
Well, hello, my friend. Mr. 225, thank you for cleaning out my radio in the middle of drive time traffic jam. 225 around the Carolinas, Charlie Brown, San Francisco Bay, California. Getting on down.
Charlie, you're 270.
Rolling my baby mud ducks, I'm getting on down.
Turn around you 225. Well, you got all the mud ducks at bay right now. You walking across the pond, stepping on their heads. Ain't no doubt about it. 225. Charlie Brown, San Francisco Bay with that weekend wave. I'm back quiet.
Folks here, Charlie Brown. They trying to get a little snap.
225, that 270. Hello, Charlie Brown, I got that.
Charlie Brown, west side, 225. Slow control. Taking care of my mud ducks and I'm getting on down.
Turn around you, Mr. 225. Ain't no doubt about it, man. Conditions is turning. 270 is jumping up and down in the background. Ain't no doubt about it. 225 while I'm still on this key. And while you can still hear me, while I'm bumping it down one more time, 225 in the Carolinas. Old Charlie Brown on the west side, downtown Santa Cruz, California. 1 foot in the sand, 1 hand on the mic. I'm back out.
Charlie Brown.
Hey, Charlie Brown, old 270 can jump up and down, man, but he ain't gonna get his name down.
He's up in his two-way.
Playing, man. $10 a day, though, he got to pay, but he don't want to pay it. He wants to sit back there and be.
The better man won't say that. Charlie Brown, you're 270 and Joey, come here.
5. Controlling my mud ducks that I'm getting on down.
Well, I'm going to have to give it to you, 225. Ain't no doubt about it. While I'm rolling this gate, I'm going to put it up on YouTube. Ain't no doubt about it. 225 in the Carolinas. Old Charlie Brown in San Francisco Bay. I'm getting on down. Bye, 270. Bye. Yeah, I hear you in the swampland, man. Ain't no doubt about it. You still jumping up and down in the swampland. Charlie Brown, San Francisco Bay. Back out.
Hey, Charlie Brown, I was trying to say, 225. That's going right down the road from me. That does look a long with it, man. I can't get it. I can't catch all that there like he doing. Charlie Brown, your friend in Georgia, come here.
T-Roy, you Mr. 270? Ain't no doubt about it, man. Good sounding station. 270, Charlie Brown on the west side just got down.
Hey, Charlie Brown, I appreciate the flowers, but look here.
That boy slobbering on the microphone.
Hey, Charlie Brown, don't hold that for yourself, man. You sounded bodacious down here in Georgia. Hey, Charlie Brown. Down here in the backwoods in Georgia. Come on down here, yo 270 on the 270 talk show.
In the backwoods of Georgia. So I'm going to keep that boy on standby until he sends.
Well, ain't no doubt about it. You got soul control right now, 270. Got my needle in the corner. But I tell you what, it's rough and tough out there when 225 keys down. He told me to tell you quit slobbering on the mic, man. But you boys are strong. Both of you strong in here right now. 270. Sounded good coming out of Georgia. I'm going to get on down, put this mic down, put this video gate down, go eat a hamburger. We'll catch y'all later. We're on the side. Charlie Brown, San Francisco Bay, California. I'm back out.
Well, Charlie Brown, I sure appreciate you coming back to me like you did in fine style. You got that doggone thing. You must be running some high fidelity out there. Hey, Charlie Brown, you running high fidelity? You still got it stroking and doing it. Charlie Brown, your friend in Georgia, man, come here. Guys down.
270. I'm running a Cobra 148 GTL. Talking on a static 575 M6 microphone with about 50 foot of mini 8 coax. Talking on an Antron 99. I'm back out.
Hey, Charlie Brown. Good morning, man. Yeah, he's well down Hey, Charlie Brown, take care. Go do what you got to do. Take care. God's grace around your place. Charlie Brown, you're 270 in Georgia. I just got that.
And I got it all because you said it all. 270. I'm going to put this gate up on YouTube. Ain't no doubt about it. It'll be on YouTube. We'll catch you later, man. We getting on down. We back out.
Hey, Charlie Brown, can you say hello, Buckshot, before you go? Hey, Charlie Brown, can you say hello, Buckshot? Buckshot from Larry got down.
Got down, Buckshot. Ain't no doubt about it. Got down in this California town, Buckshot. Charlie Brown on the west side, or that weekend wave. 4-1 from Santa Cruz, California. 1 foot in the sand, 1 hand on the mic. Buckshot, Charlie Brown's back out.
That's right, Charlie Brown. I just want to wave that hand, big brother, because all I'm doing can't eat field. I ain't got no damn losing deal. Hey, Charlie Brown, I'm going to just 1, 2, 3, take noise.
Hey! Turn around, you Buckshot. Yeah, I talked 1, 2, 3 earlier today, man. I sure did. Got a good gate in old 1, 2, 3. Me and 1, 2, 3, he's coming out of Chi-Town in fine style, coming up in my receipt. Buckshot, your friend on the west side, Charlie Brown. I'm getting on down. I'm back out.
All right, Charlie Brown. I'm going to get out of the middle of the road. That's what I'm running to. That 1, 2, 3 technology in the front lane. Hey, Charlie Brown, put it on you later. So I know you said you got to go. Charlie Brown.
Bye, Buckshot. Bye.
We'll get it up on Charlie Brown, 459 on Bad Attitude on the coast of the Magnolia 10-7.
Bye, Bad Attitude. Bye. Trying to find where it says Mini 8 on it. Oh well, you can tell it's Mini 8, and I'm back out.